Gentlemen, today I have extremely special review for you. As you can see, I just my package from Herman Miller. As you can see, Herman Miller. This is not a bad thing or something. It's for myself. So basically, I have old chair, which you will see in the moment. Here is my current chair. As you can see, more than 10 years old, very bad shape, as you can see. Fake Folks leather, which peel it off. It's broken on the back things, how I can say on the back. Also here we have another issues. It's total garbage. So I needed to pay 2 deliveries because I don't manage to fit this thing in my car. As you can see, it's huge. I hope it arrived here safely. It's not broken or something because it costs me a lot. Here, as you can see, Herman Miller logo. Here is the carrier, etc., etc. Huge box. It's basically a brand new thing. This is what I paid for, but in extremely great discounted price. I will unpack it in front of you, people. I will at least try to do so. Here, as you can see, I have my pocket knife. It's a genuine product, brand new. Let's unbox it to see what we have inside. We have another box, which is obvious. Extremely good packaging, I would say. I would admit I never saw something like that on the Chinese stuff. Shoreline containers, box certificate, single wall, box meat auto minimum, maximum Holland. This is from Holland actually. Very interesting, expensive box to me. Very stable piece of, here as you can see, we have the unit inside. I guess this is in order to make things more balanced, I guess. Yeah, I guess this will go up in a moment. Okay, I'm not sure if I can do this with one hand, but I will at least try. I never tried this chair, to be honest with you people, so I blindly bought it. I read a lot of stuff over the internet, and my final decision was to get one of these. I would say it's not easy to move this piece of solid box. Fragile, as you can see. Here we have the chair finally. Very small compared to the box and the packaging. So let's continue with the unboxing. You will be the first to see it. More ballast, I guess, to balance this thing. Extremely well packaging, what I can see. Let's leave the curtain. Here it is. Absolutely stunning. Brand new condition. You cannot see it. Pristine brand new condition. If I can see. I'm very pleased. It's absolutely amazing chair. One of the most comfortable chairs in the world. If you spend a lot of work, if you work a lot like me, I work on shifts for 40 hours at least per day. This is huge gain for you, huge investment. It's the best possible investment, I would say. As you can see, Here we have the back, which is supported by these plastic things. Excellent, excellent. I don't know what are the purpose of all of the knobs because I just got it, so I must read. Here we have the manual. Here I will detach this thing. Seating that performs for you. Yeah, excellent, excellent, absolutely. Not to be removed until delivery to the customer. New material only. Bill. I love beauty. Bill Trump once declared, and I love the availability of beautiful things and useful things immediately around me. As a kid, Jeff Weber was fascinated by the way things worked. I was always thinking either building things or tearing them apart together. They believed in designing products that enhance people's lives at home or at work. The embody chair story began when Trump, who designed the iron, aqua, and ergon chairs, and Weber design behind the copper chairs, saw an unsolved problem: the lack of physical harmony between the people and their computers. We've had to sit in our chairs in front of the computers for a longer period, just like everybody else, says Weber. We identify with the problems people has a result of sittings, so they decided to develop the first health positive chair that benefits both body and mind. Embody's design features have been shown in clinical tests to lower heart rates and stimulate blood and oxygen flow, which helps you stay focused and alert. 2012, USA, Zealand, Michigan, patent, iron copper, under penalty, blah blah blah. I can see. Here we have some photos of the two creators together. Picture of them actually. Yes, tires do not remove. Remember, with proper care, we will provide yourself superior performance. A periodic annual at minimum inspection of chair components and fasteners should be made to ensure that the chair is structurally intact and functional. Damaged or broken parts should be replaced and walls fasteners. Warning: failure to properly inspect the surface of this chair according to the maintenance instructions may lead to personal injury or product damage. Fastener. The embodied chair comes with 12-year 3-shift warranty. 12-year, people. Can you believe that? 12-year. I was thinking they got 10. They got 12. 3-shift warranty on parts and label. Include electrical capacitor, pneumatic cylinders, moving mechanism for warranty limitation material. Please visit. Feel better, well better. Embodied chairs are part of it. Help people feel good so they can work better. I am amazed because this chair have 12 years of warranty. Here we have a booklet. How to adjust the settings of the chair, and also we have thank you for choosing Herman your chair. For me, this is the best chair which you can buy today at this moment, near 2012, but probably in the near future as well. Price per quality ratio here, price is extremely high, but again you can buy it, use it, or you can buy it, refurbish it, or you can buy it new, or you can manage to find it brand new for huge discount like I did. I managed to buy it at 10 times less than the original retail price, and mine is brand new. Excellent quality of materials, everything is extremely good. So if you like quality stuff, you can grab one, or you can get an iron, remaster it, or it depends on your personal choice. But for me, since I'm a computer user, I think that's the best and that's the right choice for me. So that's personal choice. extremely good. Okay, say, if you have money, if you can manage to find this thing on a good deal, you can get it without even thinking of it. It's expensive, like everything good in this world. But if you have back problems like me, if you suffer from back pain or something like that, this is the chair for you. I hope that we will have a long journey together, and this is very important. So basically you invest here in your health, okay? You invest in your health, not in the brand. You invest in your health and your future, actually, to have less surgeries, less problems with your back pain. Here, this once again, brand new, stunning design, absolutely very high-end quality. It comes assembled, so you don't have anything to assemble, and that's it. I hope to enjoy together with this chair for a long time. It have 12 years of warranty, so I guess it will pass the warranty. So thank you for being with me, and till next time, people, and keep watching my videos, like them, share, subscribe. Here is the plastic thing which adapts to your back. So you can see this is like a spinal, like your spine. Yeah. So keep watching my videos, like them, share, subscribe. Until next time, goodbye for now.